Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1982 VW Golf GTi Mark 1 1.8 that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick start up from cold on this Golf GTi Mark 1. Ignition on. Oil pressure light doesn't come up, but the ignition light does, and the MFA doesn't function. Now, where's that little button? 5 seconds of heat under there. And then if we press the button, so that would start from absolute cold. Right, next up, we'll get it outside and show you under the bonnet. Okay, here we are under the bonnet of this 1982 Golf GTi 1.8. The engine is stone cold, we've only just started it. It's running nicely. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Next up, we have driving. Okay, here we are out in this VW Golf GTi Mark 1. I do like these little pocket rockets, I must admit. First proper hot hatchback. This is quite a late one. We've got loads of history on it, which I'll need to go through before I can tell you a lot more about it. But this is a 5-speed box one, showing 111,000 miles, and in really nice order. Very good, drives very well indeed. Steaming down the road quite happily. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Temperature gauge is sitting about a third of the way up the scale. Speedo works, fuel gauge works, rev count is working. However, the gauge is down here. We've got a voltmeter, clock, and it looks like what's that? Battery condition thing. They're obviously aftermarket, or certainly it wouldn't need a voltmeter and that, so, but they're not working anyway. But aside from that, just gets on with the job quite happily. Gearbox is nice, changes gear very well. See what it's like stopping and turning in a moment. Brakes well. Don't self-cancel. Steers nicely. It hasn't got power steering on this one, but they don't really need it, in fairness. So gearbox is nice, all its synchro into second is all good. I think the heater blower motor is working. Steaming up a little bit. Back window. gearbox on it, I must admit. It's very good. So I think there we have it. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.